hope you guys are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. Today's video is going to be a very basic beginner friendly video. I'll be teaching you all how to do this eyeshadow look, and along the way I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that I like to do when I am doing an eyeshadow look. Also, I tried keeping this video as informative as I could, because if you're a beginner and you're not used to doing eye looks, then this video will be very helpful for you all. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I have already done my base. I want to keep this video only eye focused. So I have already filled in my brows using the Focallure Artist Sketch Brow Pencil in the shade 02. This eyebrow pencil also comes with a refill, which is great. For the eyeshadow today, I will be using the Focallure Sunrise palette. This is a 16 pan eyeshadow palette and it has some really pretty shades. It also comes with a big mirror in here and the shades are gorgeous, you guys. This palette has a mixture of browns, pinks, purples, orange, and it is a really beautiful palette. So for the first shade, I'm going to take Give Me Mocha as my transition shade. If you want your dark eyeshadows to blend better, or if you want that gradient seamless effect, always use a light shade first as a transition color, so when you apply darker shades on top of it, it blends seamlessly. I'm going to pick up this shade on a Morphe M441 brush and apply it evenly above my crease. I'm going to start diffusing this color from the center of my eye. Keeping it beginner friendly, I'm going to follow the shape of my eye and I'm not going to blend or diffuse the color outwards. After that's blended, I'm going to take the shade Punch Pink and I'm going to pick up this color on a Morphe M330 brush. If you see, this brush is more pointed at the top, so it will be very easy to place the color in my crease. Always remember to tap off the excess and build the color gradually. Taking the first brush again, I'm going to blend these two colors together. Taking the shade Lavender Field on a precise brush like this is the Morphe M506 brush. I will deepen up the crease. Taking the shade Chocolate Martini, I'll apply this color in the inner and outer portions of my eye. Next, I will take the shade Pop of Color and I'll apply this color only in the centers. Taking the same detailer brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. I'll also take the shade Pinwheel Galaxy and apply it very slightly in the center for that pop of color. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use the Focallure Super Fine Liquid Eyeliner. If you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you all to use an eyeliner before applying your falsies, because it makes it much easier to hide the lash band. I'll quickly complete the other eye and be right back. Okay, so my other eye is done. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And the mascara I'll be using today is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For lashes today, I will be using the Henaahainaabeauty lashes in the style Tabassum. If you guys want to know how I like to apply my false lashes, I have done a full dedicated video on my channel and I will link that video in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. I'll again take the shade Chocolate Martin and I'll apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lashes as well. Always highlight your brow bone and the inner corners of your eye. Okay you guys, this is the final look. I just went ahead and applied my lip color and that's it. The eyes are complete. I hope you guys found this video helpful. The key to a perfect eyeshadow look is blending and of course practice. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video and found this video helpful. Also, if you guys want to check out any Focallure products, you should go right now during the Black Friday sale, because they are having 50% off on their entire website, which is a great deal. So you should definitely go grab their eyeshadow palettes, their capsule lipsticks. They are amazing. And yeah, do let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think of this look. If you have any video suggestions, let me know. Would love to do that. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.